Patrick Johnson, film and TV, and yeah, from Bolton. Well, I think the uni's been great for terms of development. Like when I came, I was already making short films, but I think the uni, and throughout the 3 years I've been here, I've been able to develop the skills that I've learnt in writing and producing and even directing, you know. And I think I've definitely grown, and it's been good experience working as part of a team, you know, with different creative people and all coming together and making short films. It's been fantastic. Yeah. Well, there was this competition. I got an email from the uni saying that there was a competition to go to New York for an all expenses paid trip. So I thought, oh well, may as well apply. And I did an interview and got on. Went to all different kinds of things. Saw a load of short films, documentaries, went to kind of special events and screenings, kind of cocktail parties, all that kind of stuff. So it was that good, yeah. I'm just looking out for anything in film, TV and radio, to be honest, just keeping an eye out and building up a portfolio, you know. 3 words, a bloody great time.